Careful.
Be real careful with them. Look at him.
Isn't he pretty?
Yeah.
Look, he's a red-winged blackbird. See those little red patches on his wing?
Look at his wings. Look at how big his wings are. Look at that.
And there's little ones on it.
Yeah, red and yellow. Yeah.
Isn't he pretty? Look how beautiful he is.
What do you suppose?
We see those at our house sometimes.
See where the red is on his wing, right? It's called red-winged blackbird. Red-winged blackbird.
Makes sense, doesn't it?
That's easy enough, isn't it?
Look at him.
He's so yellow.
He is yellow. He's pretty, isn't he?
Yeah.
Look at him.
Look,
Do you like him?
Look, you can pet him. See that? You can pet him like a
You
kitty.
can touch him.
Pet him like a kitty.
Very gently.
He's so cute.
Yeah, isn't he cute?
Yeah.
You know what he eats?
Yeah.
He's little round seeds. He's a seed eater. Did you ever hear such a thing?
Yeah.
Both hands, like this. And we're going to let him go. Just hold on. Let me know when you take the picture.
Okay, you're good. I'm videotaping.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
He took off.